Hey friends, it's Rachel with Simple Tech Connections, and in this video, we're going to talk about another new feature that High Level came out with this week. They are on fire this week, and I am super excited to share this with you. So if you build funnels or landing pages or websites in your High Level account, this works for High Level, this works for High Level white labels, and especially for my favorite High Level white label, Subtrio. So if you build funnels on a website, I think you will be excited about this as well. They have come out with pre-built sections for your funnels and websites that you can work with. So let's just dive in. Let me show you what this looks like, and I think you guys will be excited as well. So I'm just going to go into this funnel here. It's just one that I use for testing things out. Okay, and if you don't have any funnels built, you would start with a new funnel. But I'm going to go ahead and assume that you guys have, if you're watching this video, you probably have a funnel built, or at least have some sort of idea of what they are and how to build one. Specifically, how to build one inside of Subtrio or High Level. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into this funnel, and we're just going to click on the edit button right here so it opens our editor for us. Okay. Now, like I said, this is just one I test. So we are going to come over here on the left-hand side and click the plus button. And you are going to see this new option right here called pre-built sections. Okay. So this is lots of pre-built sections for you to add to your funnels that are already built out. All you have to do is go ahead and change your colors, change the copy, and easy peasy done for you. Okay, so let's just, like, the first section is a welcome section. You see they have lots of different options. Okay, so let's just choose this one. Click and drag it over to your builder over here. Let me go ahead and delete this one so it's not in the way. Okay, so it's got all the stuff. All you would have to do is click here. So this is an image of your logo. So you would just edit it however you needed to. This could be like I said, this isn't a funnel editing video. I'm just showing you these pre-built templates. Okay. So you could add an image here. This would be your main headline, and you got the whole button thing, etc. So we could come back over here and click the plus button. Okay, so we've got our main hello welcome type thing. We could do an about option here if you wanted to. You could drop a little testimonial section in here next. I'm not saying this is how you should create your funnel page. I'm just dropping in new elements so you guys can see what they look like. Let's check on this product one. Okay, so here's a little product information option. Put it down here. Let's see what that looks like. And then my computer is being really glitchy right now. I apologize. Okay, and then, let's see, here's a for who. Oh, who is this perfect? Who is this for? Who is it not for? A call to action area. That's pretty cool. Plans. So if you offer different plans, you could pop one of these in there. Here's a list, some list options that you could use. So an FAQ section, that's always helpful. Everybody loves a little FAQ area. I'll put it in here. And put a footer at the bottom because everybody needs a footer. We'll just use a simple one. Okay, so I accidentally put the footer above that. If you just click on this little green down arrow, it'll move it underneath here, okay? I don't see any pre-built checkout forms. That's okay. That's something you guys can work on. Oh, these are some really nice plan options. I'll put one of those in here so we can see what it looks like. Oh yeah, you could drop a nice little picture in here. So the thing is, all of these are completely editable, okay? So you click on it, you can change the background color. You can change it to your branding color if you wanted to, or whatever you needed it to be. Okay, my computer is being really glitchy, so I'm not sure why I'm having so much trouble editing some of these areas, but I apologize for that. I guess my computer is tired and doesn't want to work today. Let's find the purple, blue. You can click on here and you can edit your list items. Like literally all of this is editable. It's just pre-built sections so you can go in and start with something, especially if you feel like that you're not very good at building out funnel pages or landing pages or whatever you want to call them. And these give you something on your screen. Okay, you're not just staring in a blank screen. And again, these are all everything: the text, the colors, the images. It's all editable and customizable. And the other thing you can do with these is once you get this, save this section right here. Say we get it all edited to how we like it. You can always come in, click on it, the green section, click the save button. You can name it. Say this is a testimonials section. And then you can add it to either your templates or your global sections. And then you can save it. And then you have this branded to your branding that you can use in the future. So it's a really cool feature that they added for us. I have no doubt that in the future we're going to be able to add our own templates and add our own sections to this pre-built section. I'm fairly certain of that. It's just not quite out yet. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what all they do with this. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next video.